Say that again.
No.
Hey, what's up, folks? I just wanted to talk about this French fry cutter we recently picked up, or actually, we picked it up some months ago. Truth be told, picked it up, put it in a cabinet, completely forgot about it. So we happened to pull it out and say, "Hey, let's make some French fries." It was really easy to put together. After we had put it together, we was slicing potatoes in no time, cranking out French fries like almost 30 minutes later. So, long story short, I would recommend definitely having a French fry cutter as part of your kitchen gadget arsenal. It's easy to put together. It's easy to slice potatoes. It's fun to slice potatoes when you do it with the family, when you're making French fries. And then I tell you what, after the French fries come out, everyone's reaching for some fries and want more. So it's definitely an easy way to make a quick snack. And again, once you slice your French fries, you cook your French fries. Depending how you cook it, on our side, we use an air fryer. You may cook your French fries differently, but you'll have them pretty quickly. This French fry cutter also takes additional blades. So you can do like skinnier fries, thicker fries, but you can also do potato wedges as well. So I'm going to definitely pick up the potato wedge blades as well to make those. So like I said, definitely consider getting a French fry cutter. We happen to get ours from Amazon. Again, it's called New Star French fry cutter. Just search it up. We happen to get the black one. And again, the next video you're going to see is my son and I just unboxing it, putting it together. He's slicing the French fries. Actually, he's pretty much doing everything. And then I'm just cooking them. And then I'm just pretty much being greedy at the end, eating up all the fries. So again, thanks for joining us. Hit the subscribe button, the like button. And please comment if you happen to pick up your own French fry cutter.
You're gonna try out the New Star Service French fry cutter.
Our general here back. We'll have this potato cutter. It shows the basics of how to cut French fry, and it shows how to try. It's like this. You screws and those things you should work on stuff. Like you, I'll put it on. I'll put this aside. I'm putting this aside.
Take the first thing out. Put it to the side right here on the table.
It has directions.
This must be the blades. Put it next to it. All right.
That is adults only.
Don't drop it. Okay. Take this. Kind of pin thing. Okay, that's it. All right. That is the suction cups.
Touching cups.
Suction cups go. They screw under. I'm just gonna record you do it. I don't have to do nothing.
We're screwing in now.
I'm recording.
I want to try to get my finger in there.
Gotta put the nut on there. Where's? Oh, yep. You gotta open this up. Oh, this handle got some weight to it, boy. This is a serious handle. Okay, so this has to go like this, Kylie. And then the other one goes inside of that one. You see that? So hold on. We have to do this one together. Here we go. Wait, take this out. That washer has to go on the other side.
Locate the handlebar to watch the main hot dog set.
That looks like a beast. We know how to make it, but we don't need help. Dad don't need help.
I'm helping you.
It's easy.
I'm just cleaning up y'all mess, y'all know.
Wait. Let me hold it.
It's getting sore. I felt like the other one wasn't right.
Kyle's an engineer. He figured it out.
But now, oh, this one is right. Okay, Kyle. Tomorrow, we gotta use it all the time. In the restaurant or something.
Okay. So, what we got going on here? It only took us 5 minutes to freaking do this. So it goes down.
Like, what's for our potato now?
All right. So we're gonna need. Where's our potato?
You gotta peel the eyes off the potatoes. Peel them off with your fingers. One at a time.
Oh, these are the different size plates. So this is a different size French fry,
Don't leave them too thin, they don't come out good.
and this one's a different size here.
Are you trying to say you don't want skin on your potato?
Okay, hold on. Hold on. Let me see. I got the shot. Do I got the shot? Okay.
Now?
Go on, get it, get it.
More potato.
Joe. Wow.
Nice string. Boom.
Whoa.
We got French fries. Say that again.
No.
Wow. We got French fries. We got French fries. I always
Look at these French fries.
I always eat chips. Just makes me strong.
Yeah. Whoa.
Wow.
Y'all and Kyle is slicing them up like you work at a restaurant.
That's nice.
Whoa.
Alright, I think you got a lot.
Whoa.
How many potatoes was that?
How many was that just that quick?
Wait, let me get one more.
I wasn't even paying attention. I was just amazed.
That's a lot of fries.
Good job.
First, you can only eat one potato.
All right. Now this is gonna go into the air fryer.
You threw some smoked paprika on them?
Yes, lady, golly.
I'm making sure you did.
It's all up in the kitchen now.
I'm just making sure.
All right, Kyle, I'm waiting on you. I need guys. I can't put the fries on.
Oh, God.
Okay. What is this looking like? Okay. Here we go. What is this looking like? This is looking kind of crispy.
Oh.
We gotta test it out. Let's take this guy over here.
Try to put a fork on it or something.
Yeah, I need something slicing it. Yeah.
Went through.
Yeah, went through. Ooh, hot. Ooh, it's hot, but it's good. Hot fries.
There you go.
Nice. Yeah. Whew. Hot. All right, let's see how these. Let me see those French fries. Let me get one of them french fries, please. Got the thickness. Look at that. Look at that thick fry. Look at that. That is some. Let me get some of that. Yeah.
No.
Okay,
That's
no,
good.
nah.
That's good.
What are you doing?
That's good. Look at that. Look at that. That is nice. You want that one too?
Have mine.
Yeah, but you know
Ketchup.
that kid with 10 subscribers.